The letter C has two different sounds. One of them is made by the letter C with the A, the O, and the U, and it sounds like a K. For example, California, comer, y cuidar. They all sound like a K. The other is made by the C with the E and the I, and it sounds like an S in Latin America or a Z en España. For example, cenar, ciudad. It sounds like an S, or cenar, or ciudad. Be careful, because the words ciudad and cuidado have similar spelling. But ciudad sounds like an S, and cuidado sounds like a K. But how do I make the K sound with an A and an I? What if I want to say queso o te quiero? That's very simple. You just use que and ki. For example, queso, te quiero. They sound like a K. Just remember that the U in those cases is silent.